The second workshop took place in Athens, and this was in August 2002. So under the direction of Dr. Stephen Trion from Dana-Farber, Dr. Robert Kyle from Mayo Clinic, and myself, we had this, I think, very important workshop because it had a significant participation with 55 investigators, so a higher number from the first workshop, including 6 young investigator award recipients representing 32 medical centers and 9 nations. The highlight of this workshop was the development for the first time of a consensus panel that were chaired by Dr. Trion. And these panels set for the first time a concise diagnostic criteria for this disease, and also provided guidance for the management of patients with Waldenstrom's macroglobulinemia with the treatments that were available at that time. I have to mention that at that time, available treatments included alkylating agents and nucleoside analogs, and there were just some data coming out regarding a potential role of immunomodulatory agents such as lenalidomide in 2002.